This is how you're going to delete a contact in ManyChat. Sometimes you need to clean up your list or close your account entirely, but in this case, I'm just going to clear out our list. So to delete a contact, you're just going to head over to your ManyChat account by going into the app.manychat.com and then dashboard. Now from your dashboard, you're just going to make sure that you are logged in or signed up to an account, and then from here you're going to head over to the contacts tab, which looks like this icon. It's like a person icon from the left side menu, so the contacts will appear right here, so it's like a label. Now from the contacts tab, you're going to select the person that you want to remove and then just click on delete. So for example, I'm going to select this person right here, and then from there we're going to click on the name, and then from this window that appears, you're just going to click on these three dots right beside the name. Click on it, and then from here you're going to click on delete contact. Now once you click on delete contact, you will have to confirm by typing delete first. So after that, you're just going to click on delete right there, and then this contact will be deleted. And that is how you're going to delete a contact in ManyChat. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.